Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have an interesting story for you. Come, let's go into the video. Once there is a person called Michael living in a town. From his childhood, he has been getting good marks and distinctions in his studies. And when he joined his company, he has been working as an intellectual engineer. With only his help, his company acquired millions and millions of money in spite of heavy competitions among various companies. So he has been chosen as a best developer of their company. Nobody can talk anything against his speech in front of him. None can question him as he is everything in his company. So Michael started to think that he is the godfather of this concern. In the beginning, when this thought arose in his mind, he ordered each and every person of his company to do this and that. He made everyone to act according to his wish. Later on, when this thought grew up, he just started to suppress everyone around him, which has become a root cause for others to have a hatred on him. At last, he started to think that he is superior to all the other people who were present around him. One day, when his manager called him for a project, he went to manager's cabin. Manager asked him,
Michael,
Yes, sir.
this project of yours has got some mistakes, Michael. Why don't you correct it? I need some corrections in it.
What? Mistakes? In my project? How is it possible? Do you think that I can make mistakes?
Do you think that you're God? Even God can make mistakes if He has got overconfidence. I told you just to correct your mistakes. Why don't you do it instead of arguing with me?
Impossible, sir. My project is an excellent output. You are trying to find faults with my project.
After that, without uttering a word, the manager left the place. The domineering character of Michael has been produced a negative rays on him. During that night at home, Michael's wife asked him,
Dear, the dresses you had purchased for our son are not as good as what we expected. So can we go to the shop and exchange the dresses?
Michael started to argue with his son and wife that his decision never goes wrong.
No, Dad. This time it has gone wrong. This shirt does not fit me. It is somewhat tight fitting. Please, Dad, I cannot put it on. I need to exchange this dress.
Michael became angry on hearing his son's words. He just kicks the table and goes away with anger. Next day, in his company, his juniors finished the same special project in an innovative manner, which was praised by senior officers. This incident absolutely irritated Michael because he is always in a conception that he is the only person in his company who can do all sorts of innovations. When some others start to do some special and ingenious and inventive things, Michael could not tolerate this unbelievable incidents. He started to argue with them. He found some blunders in their projects. He wanted to reject their projects because as far as he is concerned, he is the only person who is able to do creative things in this world. He refused to accept the truth that even a small rat has got the capacity to save a big lion from a net by biting the net with his teeth and release the lion. Michael fed up with his company members completely and he gave his resignation letter to his senior. At that moment, senior officer spoke to him.
Sir, here is my resignation letter.
What? Resignation letter? Michael, listen to me first. Good Homer sometimes nods. You consider yourself as a godfather of everyone, but it is not so. You cannot be perfect at each and every time. You can advise others when you have the full knowledge of something. But when you have a little knowledge of something, you can take the advices from anyone, whoever has a good knowledge of it. So don't feel bad to learn anything from others. Knowledge is just like an ocean. You can learn throughout your life. So don't try to suppress anyone around you.
Now Michael can realize his mistakes. No one is superior to other in this world. Everyone has got equal rights to express their opinions and feelings. No one has the rights to suppress others' thoughts. Liberty is the only thing you cannot have until you are willing to give it to others. So Michael goes to his juniors and shakes his hand with them and apologizes to them for his mistakes. Children, can you understand the moral of this story? The moral of the story is we should not think that we are superior to others. We should not suppress others at any cost, and we should not thrust our opinions into others' mind. We should make others to feel comfortable when they are with us. Children, I hope you like this story. If you really like this story, tell your parents to share this video and subscribe this channel Kids World. Next time I'll come along with some other video. Thank you so much.